and welcome back to my channel. I am Mrs. P. Tarleton. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I wanted to show you how to create an animated GIF just like in this video here. We're going to use Google Slides. Let's dive in. So here I am in Google Slides. You are going to need an add-on called Creator Studio. It is absolutely free. You go down here, get add-ons, takes you right to the place to add it to your slides. So let's get started. So first thing I want to do is I want to choose an image, choose a background for my slide. So I'm going to change the background, choose an image. I like beach and tropical, so let's do that. Google search. So to show something getting closer on a flat screen, you start it out really small, and as it gets closer to the shore, you would just make it bigger and bigger and bigger. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to put my Bitmoji out here. You can put whatever you want out there. If you don't use Bitmoji, you want to put a picture of you, go ahead and do that. So I'm going to copy this image, and because it's far, far away, I want to give the illusion of it being far away. I'm going to put it really small way out here in the ocean. So there's that one. You are going to duplicate the slide, right click, duplicate the slide, and now you want to take that image and you want to drag it just a little bit closer to the shore and make it a little bit bigger. Do the same thing, duplicate slide. Take your Bitmoji or your image, drag it a little closer. You could even do this with an image of a turtle that you found on the internet, whatever it is that you'd like. Make it a little bit bigger. Keep going. The more slides that you have, the smoother your transitions from one slide to the next will be to give that really good effect. Just like those little flip books I used to make years ago on a piece of Post-it packet, and just keep changing your image just slightly. So when you flip through all the pages, it looks like it's moving. I'm going to actually just have mine surf right off the page. So now I've got my slide, and all I did was keep duplicating, changing the size of my image. If you wanted to change the image, from surfing to riding a whale, whatever you wanted, it's up to you. And then when you go into present, you can actually see what it looks like, or just clicking through here, quickly you can see what it looks like. So let's try present. I would like to do one more to get it completely off the screen, but other than that, it looks pretty good. And if you wanted it not to start over right away, just add a couple of these slides, whatever you wanted to do at the end. So if I wanted just the beach to sit there for a second, I would just duplicate this and leave it blank. If you're sitting in a chair and you wanted your slide to sit there for a minute, just add that same slide in. So now that we have it, we're going to go to our add-ons, Creator Studio, create a GIF. I usually put in 800 pixels here. 0.5 second intervals is usually the best for these GIFs. You can play around with the time and then click go. It is now complete. I download it to my computer. And that's what I have. And now it'll play over and over and over. It'll keep repeating. That is how you do an animated GIF. You can make these slides whatever size you'd like. You can use them in your Google Classroom banner. You can use them on your YouTube channel, whatever you want. Just create the right size, and there you have it. Hope you found this helpful. Step out and be uniquely wonderful you. Have a great day.